Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to learn how to use formulas in Excel. So friends, if you don't want to miss my videos, please subscribe my channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. Today, we are going to calculate gross salary and net salary by using formula. So let's calculate. Before we start calculating, let us know some important points. First, the formula starts with equal symbol. So without equal symbol, we cannot write a formula. Second, the formula bar is used to view and edit the whole formula. So if you want to view or edit the formula, we use formula bar. Third, F2 is a shortcut key to edit formula. So if you want to edit formula which is already written, we use a shortcut key F2. So let's start. Coming to Excel, I have created a table employee which contains 5 employees, numbers, name and basic salary. Now we have to calculate DA, HRA, gross, PF and net salary. So let's start. To calculate DA, we need percentage of 50% of basic salary. So 50% of basic salary is the DA. So let's start. So I will start with the is equal to. So what is the basic salary? 5,000. So what is the cell which we contain the data? It's a D5. You can click or you can just type directly D5. D5 into, we can use brackets for 50%, 50 divided by 100. Enter. Here we are. Or you can directly type, instead of using 50 by 100, you can directly type cell D6 into 50%. Enter. Here we are. So you can see the basic difference. Here we have used 50 divided by 100. Instead of 50 divided by 100, I have just simply done the same thing by using simply 50%. Okay, so 50% can be replaced by a 50 divided by 100. Easy, right? Now I will drag using file handler. Here we are. Done. Easy and nice. Now I want to calculate HR. The same. Start with is equal to D5 into 15%. This time again I am going to use 15%. Enter. Easy, right? Now again drag to copy. Here we are. Now let us calculate the gross. Gross salary requires basic plus DA plus HRA. So again I will start with is equal to basic. I will click on basic D5. Automatically I got D5. I will use plus. Again I am on DA plus HRA. Enter. Easy, right? Again copy. Done. Now coming to the PF. Again PF I required 12% on gross pay. So 12% on gross pay is equal to, again clicking on the gross pay, into 12%. Enter. Nice, right? Now I will drag. Done. The same way net salary. Net salary we required gross pay minus PF. So is equal to, again gross pay minus PF. Enter. Done. Now I will copy. By dragging I can copy into the other cells. Done. Easy, right? So let us see how this employee table looks like. Go to the file, print. Here we are. Nice, right? Coming back to Excel, we have different types of operators. So let us see what are the different types of operators we use in Excel. So there are different types of operators we have in our Excel. So coming to the first operator, it's arithmetic, or we can call it as a math operators. In this we have percentage, exponent operator, percentage, exponent, and this is a multiplication symbol, division, plus, and minus. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operator. Coming to next operators, we have logical and comparison operators. Equal to is used as a equal to. This symbol is used as a greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. There are some other operators like concatenate operator and reference operator. Concat operator is and symbol, and reference operator we have is colon, comma, and space. We are going to know these operators in next video. Thank you. Keep practicing.